Hello, my name is Adeli Teresa. My student ID number is 21141900029. I'm from accounting major. Today, I want to present about balance sheet term in English, income statement, profit and loss term in English, general accounting term in English. Okay, let's get started. Accountancy is one business in which you need to be extremely accurate. It's about recording, reporting, and analyzing the money of your own and other people's business. Balance sheet term in English. A balance sheet is an accountant statement which details the income and spending of an organization within a fixed time. This is a critical tool in accountancy to understand business, asset, and liabilities. 1. Accounts payable. We currently have a large account payable list to our suppliers, money that is owed by the business to its suppliers. This is sum up liabilities in the balance sheet. 2. Account receivables. You should be constantly aware to how inflation can discount your account receivable. Money that is owed to the business by its customer. This is for goods or service that have been delivered but have not yet been paid. 3. Asset. It has asset in the form of stock, mutual fund, and property. An item that a company or person owns that has monetary value. These come in the form of tangible asset and intangible asset. 4. Book value. The purchase price in approximately 2 times the book value. The total value of the business asset found on the balance sheet. This number represents the total value of all of the asset a company owns if they liquid. 5. Equity. When the company collects its equity was wiped out, the remaining value of a company after all liabilities have been removed. Equity is the portion of a company owned by its investor and shareholders. It can be calculated as asset liability. 6. Inventory. The company of managing to market and sell its products, keeping inventory low. Inventory represents a company's goods that remain unsold to its customer. Inventory management is typically counted within 3 stages of production: raw goods in projects, goods and goods that are ready for sales. 7. Liabilities. The company has enough money to cover its existing liabilities, any debt that a company has yet to pay. Whereas account payable is money owed only to suppliers, liabilities can include money that a business also owes to staff as well as loans, mortgages, and bonds. Income statement. Profit and loss term in English. The income statement or profit and loss statement is the second of the 2 most common financial reports. It shows the revenue, expense, and net income or loss over a period of time. A. Cost of goods sold. IKEA's cost of goods sold fell by 3% in the last quarter. The cost of production for the goods sold by a company. This number includes labor costs and the raw material used to create the goods. Indirect expenses as the transport of goods are excluded from this cost. 9. Depreciation. The company was hurt by high depreciation costs. Depreciation is when the asset lost value over time. Depreciation commonly happens when physical assets break or wear out, such as when an office computer gets damaged, a mechanism break down, or a building start to decay. 10. Expense. Many companies shut down during the week save on expense. Expense are money spent by business in order to generate revenue. These are split into fixed expense, set amounts that a business has to pay regularly, rent, salary, and wages, and variable expense, which might cost more or less depending on external factors, advertising, commission, and utility bills. 11. Gross profit. Gross profit is its highest level in the more than 3 years. The total amount of profit a company makes after subtracting the costs associated with making and selling these products. When gross profit is calculated, the cost of overhead like rent, travel costs, and advertising are not subtracted. 12. Net income. Apple had set records in the both sales and net income figures. The amount that is earned by a business in profit after all costs are deducted. It is calculated by taking revenue and subtracting all of the expense within a period of time, including overhead, depreciation, and tax. 13. Revenue or sales. The football clubs estimate that it will reach a record annual revenue of 600 million. The income a business makes from its activities before subtracting any expense, this usually comes in the form of sales and service to customer revenue. Revenue is also referred to as sales or turnover. General accounting term in English. 14. Cash flow. A strong brand identity, great management, and positive cash flow are essential for your company to be a market leader. A company will create more value for its shareholders by generating positive long-term cash flow. A company will create negative cash flow by spending more money than it makes over a specific period of time. 15. Credit. The danger with credit card debt is the increases in interest are incremental. A company's credit and debits will always equal each other, ensuring the balance sheet and income statement are always in balance and accurately reflecting in income, expense, asset, liability, and equity within a business. 16. Debit. Your account will debit for the cost of your insurance every month. When used as a non-debit, records a sum of money owned by a business and is listed on the left-hand column of an account. An example of a debit is the purchase of a new computer, which is an additional asset. 70. Diversification. The company was looking into diversification to generate new source of revenue, a technique of allocating resources and investing time, money, and energy into different activities. For example, a company may decide to diversify by expanding into a new market or producing new products. 18. Fixed costs. The business is reducing fixed costs, continuing to grow and balancing growth and profitability. business costs that remaining the same no matter the amount of good product. Example of fixed costs include rent, salaries, and curtain tax. 19. Forecasting. After analyzing the account of the last few years, he was forecasting a challenging tree for the business. The act of using past data to predict future costs, growth, and financial trends. Business use forecasting to help them plan to upcoming expense and dictate how to allocate their budget within a set period of time. 20. Interest. The loan carried a very high interest rate, so I did not take it. Interest is a fee for borrowing an asset. It can be considered an expense to the borrower and income to the lender. This number is usually calculated and a percentage of the amount of money borrowed and is added into the cost of future repairs. 21. Liquidity. The business benefit that this change will result in improved liquidity and profitability. The ability to get your hands on money whenever it is required. Cash and savings are liquid assets because they can easily be changed into cash very quickly. Non-liquid assets include property and machinery, which cannot be changed into cash quickly. 22. Overhead. The business had lowered its overhead costs by conserving the rental less and working entirely remotely. A consistent cost of running a business. Overheads or overcosts are expense or running a business that do not include creating or product or service. Overhead include the cost of operating business, insurance, and marketing. 23. Payroll. The annual payroll of Arsenal Football Club is 103 million. The total amount of money to be paid to a company's employers in the form of wages, salary, and bonus. Payroll can also refer to a company's record of revenues payments made to employees. 24. Return on investment. They spend 1,000 on marketing, which produce 2,000 in profit. Therefore, they launch a successful return on investment on marketing spend of 50%. Return on investment is a term used to describe the ability of an investment made to generate income for a business. 25. Variable cost. Total cost is when you add your fixed cost with your variable cost. Business cost, the interest will decrease depending on the volume of a company's sale and production. Thank you.